Hello, friends. Welcome back again with a set full of facts from India. We all are Indians and we all are proud Indians, isn't it? So, let's see what is special about India. So, let's start, friends. The first one. How many billionaires India has? Guess it? India is third in the world in terms of number of billionaires, which according to a recent estimate, India has 140 billionaires. Okay, and we are ranked third in the world just behind USA and China. Isn't it a proud achievement? Well, maybe poverty level is there, that is fine, that is okay, because every country has poverty, but this is something we need to be proud about. All right, we have got around 140 billionaires. Okay, and the net worth, according to a study, according to an estimate, the net worth is supposed to be around 300 billion. Staggering, isn't it? Let's move on to the next fact about India. Sari, the traditional dress for women in India. Do you know how old it is? It dates back to 3000 BC. Okay? How old? Just imagine how old the sari is. 3000 BC. Okay, interesting again. Let's move on to the next fact about India. Chess. Do you know it originated? Most of us must be knowing that chess originated in India. But how many years back? 1500 years back. Okay, and there was a war game, 7th century war game, which was called Chaturanga. Okay, which was played in northwestern India at that time. From there only chess was flourished. Chess was inspired based on this particular game called Chaturanga. Let's move to the next fact, and this is really interesting. Bollywood. We are the world's largest producer of cinemas, films. Okay, and look at the other two, Nollywood, they call it, which is the Nigerian cinema. That is again a huge industry. Hollywood, Nollywood comes second, Hollywood comes third in terms of the number of cinemas in a year. India produces around 1500 to 2000 films a year. Staggering, isn't it? Next one, India is the second largest market for newspapers. Okay, and how many publications? 1 lakh publication and 1300 million readers. That's staggering. All right. Well, the number one is China, because it has a population which is more than India, and of course they produce more newspapers and more readers. Next fact, Kariboli. This is in Delhi, a market, and it is Asia's largest wholesale spice market. Okay, and do you know it's very old? It was there since the 17th century. Just imagine. Okay, and how the name came? It's because of the name of the street on which this particular market is located. Moving on to the next one, Meghalaya, which is also called the abode of clouds. Okay, it is the wettest human inhabited place on earth. This has the distinction of being the wettest human inhabited place on earth. Wettest place on earth is some other place, but this is the wettest human inhabited place, Meghalaya. Okay, it receives an average rainfall of 12,000 mm per year. Okay, which is around 470 inches. Too much of rain. And The average is it is 33 millimeter of rain per day. Every day, if you receive 33 millimeters of rain, just imagine. Well, let's move on. White tigers, one of the rarest species of tigers. It's only found in India. Okay, and they were created. This is a hybrid tiger. It was created through pigmentation, variant in pigmentation of Bengal tiger. Okay, now something very interesting, that is they are cousins. That means the original Bengal tiger, which is orange colored, these white tigers, they grow larger than this normal Bengal tigers. Alright, next fact. Ladakh has the highest motorable road in the world. And what is the height? Look at the height, 19,300 feet. On that particular altitude you will drive. Just imagine the feeling. Now maybe some of you have already done so. It must be interesting here. I'm just thinking how fascinating, how interesting it will be to drive at over 19,300 feet. Alright. Okay. Now this one we should all be proud of, Hinduism. It is considered the oldest religion in the world. Okay, and there is documentary evidence which will tell you it dates back to 5500 BC. Okay, we should all be proud of this. Alright. Well friends, this was just a set of facts from a sea of facts about India. I'll again be back with some more facts about India in another set, and of course world facts again. Till that time friends, take care, stay safe, bye bye.